Jealousy is a dangerous feeling that hides in many hearts. It makes people unhappy, not because of what they lack, but because of what others have. Instead of motivating us, jealousy often weakens us, steals our peace, and blocks our true potential. To understand this better, let me tell you a story about two young men named Ravi and Mohan. Ravi and Mohan grew up in the same town. They were neighbors, classmates, and close friends in their early childhood. Both were intelligent, hardworking, and respectful to their parents. However, as they entered their teenage years, Mohan began to shine more brightly in the eyes of others. He always scored higher marks in exams, won prizes in debates, and even excelled in sports. Teachers praised him, friends admired him, and his name was always remembered during school events. Ravi, though talented, felt overshadowed by Mohan. At first, he encouraged his friend and clapped for him during competitions. But slowly, an invisible poison began to enter his heart: jealousy. He started thinking, why is Mohan always better than me? Why do people notice him and not me? Why is he always in the spotlight while I am left in the shadows? These thoughts grew stronger each day. Instead of focusing on his own strengths, Ravi began to waste time comparing himself with Mohan. He stopped working hard and lost interest in his studies. Even when he achieved something, he could not enjoy it because he was too busy comparing his success with Mohan's. His friendship with Mohan also started to break. He avoided him, spoke unkindly, and often criticized him behind his back. Jealousy was slowly destroying his happiness and relationships. One day, Ravi's grandfather noticed his sadness. Being a wise old man, he asked Ravi to walk with him to the garden. There, the grandfather pointed to two plants, one a rose bush and the other a mango tree. The rose bush had beautiful flowers, while the mango tree bore sweet fruits. The grandfather said, "My dear child, do you see these two plants? The rose never complains that it cannot bear mangoes, and the mango tree never cries because it has no flowers. Each is beautiful in its own way. If the rose wastes time wishing to be a mango tree, it will stop blooming. And if the mango tree wishes to be a rose, it will stop giving fruit. The same is true in life. You must stop comparing yourself to Mohan. You are unique. Find your gift, and you will shine too." These words touched Ravi's heart deeply. He realized how foolish it was to waste his energy being jealous. From that day, he decided to change his attitude. Instead of envying Mohan, he started focusing on his own strengths. Ravi discovered that he had a great passion for drawing and painting. He spent hours improving his skills, and soon his artworks were admired by teachers and even displayed in exhibitions. His confidence grew, and he began to feel proud of his own achievements. Ravi and Mohan became close friends again. This time, there was no jealousy, only respect and support. Mohan continued to do well in academics and sports, while Ravi shone brightly in art. Both were different, but both were successful in their own ways. Ravi finally learned that life is not about being better than someone else, it is about being the best version of yourself. Moral of the story: jealousy is like a fire that burns silently inside us. It does not harm others as much as it harms ourselves. Everyone is born with unique talents and abilities. Instead of wasting time comparing or being jealous, we must discover our own strengths and develop them. True happiness comes not from defeating others, but from improving ourselves. Like the sun and the moon, each person has a time to shine. So, don't be jealous of others, celebrate their success, work on your own path, and you too will shine in your own way.